I'm calling it, this is going to be one of the most purchased gifts for little kids this Christmas. This is the Unbrush Stitch brush in little hair dryer. That is foldable, so perfect for on the go and perfect for little hands. It also has the nozzle. You know, the Unbrush brushes, they come with longer and shorter bristles for easier detangling for wet and dry hair. So no more crying, no more screaming. They're famous for their backless vented cushion. You have Stitch over here. You have the Stitch logo over here. Let's open it and let's see how it folds.